Ishizaki Press is pleased to introduce how to make our fabric-covered buttons for home use. We sell these kits to professional makers, mostly in the fashion industry. You can make your own covered buttons like the ones we sell to apparel makers easily at home. We're going to demonstrate how to make fabric-covered buttons using our kit. The kit comes with pieces of buttons, upper and lower size of buttons, plastic tools and a template to use when cutting fabric into circles. You will need a piece of fabric, a plastic or rubber hammer, and a sharp pointed stick such as a toothpick to push the buttons off from the tool. First, you're going to place a fabric onto the outer tube, then place the upper button right on the fabric. You want to make sure that the center of the button and the fabric are aligned with that of the outer tube. Then push it down with the pressing tool. Now you're going to use the inner tube of which the end faces are different. One side is flat and the other side is dented. You're going to push the back of the lower button into the dented side of the inner tube to the degrees that the button does not fall. You're going to put the pressing tool into the inner tube, then insert it into the outer tube. A tip to glue the pieces successfully is to push the lower button down with the inner tube, turning slowly while holding the outer tube. That way, the fabric is firmly attached to the upper button. And tap it with a hammer a few times strongly. Now you're going to take that button off from the tool with a toothpick. If back of the button is loose, you want to put it back in the tool and tap a few more times with a hammer. Now a fabric-covered button is complete. We have 6 different sizes of buttons. You can also get refill buttons if you already have the tools. Enjoy!